Welcome to Rocky Mountain Gardens. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, my name is Mary and we're getting ready for the Christmas season. I wanted to share with you a video of my cousin Linda's home. She's an amazing decorator. I think she goes way over the top, which we all love. And I do too, I have to admit. So that is the kind of decorating I like, maximal decorating. And if you like that too, I think you'll enjoy her tour. So to introduce her to you, Linda is my cousin and lives in Missouri. And she and I, of course, have known each other since we were born. We grew up there together with a pretty close-knit family, I would say. And I'd like to share with you a picture of us when we were little girls with a family gathering. You can see it's black and white. And Linda has a red arrow pointing to her. Wasn't she a cute little girl? And I have a green arrow pointing to me with those crazy short bangs. Oh my goodness, the hairdos in those days. In any case, Linda and her family came out to visit me last summer. They drove out here to Colorado and spent some time at my home. And we looked at a lot of the local sites, so I thought I'd give you a picture of us now that we're all grown up. So in this picture, we are at the Garden of the Gods, and we strolled around, had a lovely time and a beautiful day. And this is Linda and in the center, me on the right side, and then Kathy, her daughter, is on the left. And it was just lovely having them come out here to my home for the very first time. In any case, let's get started on the tour. I'm so excited to share it with you. Oh, and I wanted to explain that Linda has collections of different types of Christmas decor that she kind of rotates through the years, and we'll talk about that as we watch the video. Let's go ahead and roll it. We are starting outdoors, and isn't this a beautiful home? I love the way it's all lit up, and you can see all of the decorations so well. And Linda's theme this year is snowmen. As you can see in the yard, it even starts here in the outdoors. Her other rotating themes are Santas, carolers, toy soldiers, and nativity scenes. Here is her entryway, and she has some beautiful, beautiful garland, as well as these lovely floral arrangements. Very festive. And see all the pine cones on this wreath? Well, when Linda and her family came out to Colorado, they stayed in our cabin down in the mountains, and she told me that she had picked up with her family 300 pine cones for her Christmas decorations. Now let's enter the living room, where there is this stunning tree that is a rotating tree, so you get to see all sides of these gorgeous decorations. And don't you just love the sparkling icicles on it? Of course, flock trees to me are simply beautiful, and they really show off the colorful ornaments and garland that Linda uses on this tree. I just think it's such an eye catcher. Now, under every tree, she has a nativity set, and this is a beautiful one. Just reminds us of the reason that we celebrate Christmas, doesn't it? And of course, she has a snowman topper on every tree this year because that is her theme, snowmen. As you can see on this lovely piano, all these darling little snowmen. Look at them. Everywhere you look, there are snowmen to be found. Now in the dining room here, you can see that lovely chandelier and how it has been decorated. So cute. And a beautiful table set for the party I had come by for. Snowmen here and there. And this amazing tree here. Isn't that just so sparkling and lovely? And a beautiful table set. Now on this sideboard, she has a little Christmas village with ice skaters and some snowmen making an appearance as well. There is a small hallway that connects her kitchen to her dining room, and here she has a small cabinet that she decorates every year. And as you can see, we have some Disney characters in this area. Here you can see the hallway a little bit better. And of course there are snowmen and snow ladies. More Disney. But I must say, I just love this nativity set so much. It is very rustic with this setting, just like you might imagine in Bethlehem with this old stone wall. Isn't that something? I just love that. That was my favorite nativity scene, I think. Now in the hallway that goes from her entryway to the kitchen, she has her stairs which go up to the second floor. And look at this collection of snowmen lining the stairs on both sides. Oh my goodness, so darling. And of course she has a garland on the stairway. I have walked into her family room, and here under their tree, which is a 9-foot tree, is another nativity scene, a really beautiful one again. And take a look at this very tall tree for their high ceilings. There's another snowman topper. Isn't that something? On her mantle, she has another collection of snowmen for this theme. Snowman carolers. Just adorable. And lastly, I wanted to show you their backyard, where Linda's a gardener like I am, and of course we can't see the garden right now, but take a look at this nativity set that Linda and her husband Jerry created. They literally Jerry cut out these characters from wood, and together they painted them. Are they not the most cute little characters for an outdoor nativity scene? Thank you all for stopping by, and give me a like. And you might even consider subscribing if you're enjoying what I'm doing here at my channel, Rocky Mountain Gardens. Merry Christmas to all!